Hello, dear students. See, our next topic is local time. What is local time? Local time is a time of any particular place, okay, and it is obtained by overhead sun at noon. See, each longitude has a difference of 4 minutes. Okay, each longitude has a difference of 4 minutes. So, for example, the longitude of Mumbai is 73 degree east and New Delhi is 77 degree east, and it is 12 noon at Mumbai, 73 degree east. Okay, so first we will take out the longitudinal difference, that is 77 minus 73, that is 4 degree longitudinal difference. And as we know that 1 degree longitude difference is equal to 4 minutes, so 4 degree longitudinal difference will be 16 minutes, which is added because Delhi lies east of Mumbai. When we are going towards the east, we have to add. When you are going towards east, you will add. When you are going towards the west, you will subtract. This is the rule. Okay. Then the next topic is time zone. What is time zone? To avoid the confusion, Earth has been divided into 24 time zones. How? 360 by 24, that is 15 degree longitude, and according to the number of day, this 15 degree longitude is there. Okay. Then standard time, the uniform time which is based on central meridian is standard time. The standard time is always divisible by 7.5 degree. Greenwich Mean Time, what is GMT? It is a prime meridian which is 0 degree. It has been selected. The time is fixed with reference to Greenwich near London, which is called Greenwich Mean Time. Then we have Indian Standard Time, IST. In our country, 82 degree 30 minute east is the central meridian which passes near Allahabad, and it is known as Standard Meridian of India. And India is 5.5 hours ahead of GMT. Okay, so for example, if it is 9 a.m. at London, it must be 9 plus 5.30, 5:30, that is 14:30 hours, or 2:30 p.m. in India. What is International Date Line, IDL? International Date Line is a zigzag line. It's a zigzag line. To avoid the confusion, the zigzag line is drawn when this zigzag line is 180 degree longitude, which is diametrically opposite to GMT. Okay, and to avoid the confusion, one day is added or subtracted while traveling from east to west and west to east. Okay. Then locating places. What are great circles and small circle? Great circle is a circle which is drawn on the surface of sphere, such as Earth, and has the radius equal to the radius of sphere. See, all the latitude, equator is the great circle, and all the parallel latitudes are small circle. Okay. Characteristics of great circle. A great circle is theoretical circle formed by intersection of Earth's surface. It's an imaginary line. All circle must pass through or touch the center. There are infinite number of circles that touch to opposite end of the sphere. An intersecting great circle always bisect each other. What are its uses? Navigation. It is used by the navigators to find the shortest distance between any 2 points. Okay. Great circle routes are especially important for places that are opposite side of the globe. Okay. Then these most globes show great circle routes between distant ports across Atlantic, the Pacific, and the Indian Ocean. Then great circles are used by meteorologists to determine climatic and weather conditions. Okay, so these are its uses. It is used by navigators. Okay, and these routes are important for two opposite sides on the globe, and these are also used by meteorologists to determine climatic and weather conditions. Okay, characteristics. It is a theoretical circle formed by intersection, and then they must pass through or touch the center of the circle. There are infinite number of circles which touches the end of the sphere. Then intersecting circles always bisect each other. Okay. Then what is IDL? International Date Line is a zigzag line which is diametrically opposite to GMT, and to avoid the confusion, When traveling from one country to another, 1 day is added or subtracted. Indian Standard Time is 82 degree 30 minutes east, which passes through Allahabad. India is 5.305 and half hours ahead of GMT. That is why we have to add 5.5 hours. What is GMT? The time fixed with reference to Greenwich is Greenwich Mean Time, which is 0 degree longitude. Standard Time is based on Central Meridian and it is always divisible by 7.5 degree. What is time zone? Time zone, in order to avoid the confusion, our Earth is divided into 24 time zones, and each time zone covers 15 degree longitude. How? 360 by 24. What is local time? Local time of any place is divided by overhead of sun, and each longitude varies by 4 minutes.